misery.
Did you see me?
I love the way misery infects humans. Remember that crash you witnessed? The burning building filled with screams. The latest tragedy in the news.
Did you see me?
I remember. I was there.
Did you see me?
You may not have been looking, but had you looked, I'm sure you would have seen.
Did you see me?
As long as there is pain, suffering, tragedy, I will always be there.
Did you see me?
To see the horribly beautiful, twisted faces in someone's last moment of life. To see the even worse faces reacting to someone's death. These are the feelings, the moments I crave.
Oh shit, here we go.